In this video, we're going to continue learning about some basic Japanese grammar. This lesson is undoubtedly more advanced than all the previous lessons, but exciting and enjoyable. I am sure you'll be able to understand and use these concepts like a pro at the end. Let's get started with lesson number 9. Before that, download the PDF file in the download section. 1. How to share a daily routine. Suppose someone asks you, when do you eat lunch every day? Or what's your breakfast time? How would you answer that in Japanese? What's the perfect grammar to show a daily routine fixed at a specific time? Let's learn. Formation, we use itsumo. It means always or usually. Have a look at examples to see the perfect usage of it. I always get up at 7 o'clock.
私はいつも7時に起きます。私はいつも7時に起きます。
I always go home at 8 o'clock.
私はいつも夜8時に家に帰ります。私はいつも夜8時に家に帰ります。
You're expressing something that always or usually happens. Let's try to create more sentences in your homework notebook.
母はいつもその歌を歌います。母はいつもその歌を歌います。天気はいつもいいです。天気はいつもいいです。あなたはいつも何時に寝ますか？あなたはいつも何時に寝ますか？
2. Usage of someday or sometimes in Japanese. How to use words like someday or sometime in your Japanese sentences. It means that you don't perform the task regularly or you do not intend to do it every day but someday or sometime. Let's learn the perfect word. Itsuka means someday or sometime. Have a look at examples. Someday, I want to go to China.
いつか中国に行きたいです。いつか中国に行きたいです。
In short, we use this in the sentence when the speaker wants to do something someday in the future. Look at another example. I want to become a company president someday.
いつか社長になりたいです。いつか社長になりたいです。私はいつか日本語の先生になりたいです。私はいつか日本語の先生になりたいです。私はいつかアフリカに行きたい。私はいつかアフリカに行きたい。
3. The interrogation used who in Japanese. In English, we use the interrogatory word who, but what to use in Japanese? How to use who in Japanese while asking a question. Formation. Dare, which means who. We never use this word every time at the beginning of sentences. Just like in English, it can be in the middle or end too. Understand it with the help of examples. Who's that man?
あの男の人は誰ですか？あの男の人は誰ですか？
Who did you come with to Japan?
誰と日本へ来ましたか？誰と日本へ来ましたか？教室に誰がいますか？教室に誰がいますか？あの人は誰ですか？あの人は誰ですか？
4. How to ask questions about random people. To ask questions about random people, we use dareka which means someone or somebody. Let's see how to use it in Japanese. Did you meet someone?
誰かに会いましたか？誰かに会いましたか？
Using this, you can ask questions about people, but about those who are unspecified or unknown. Try to create more sentences in your notebook.
トイレの中に誰かがいます。トイレの中に誰かがいます。誰かこのドアを開けてください。誰かこのドアを開けてください。
5. Usage of anybody and everyone in Japanese. What do we use for words like everyone, everybody, or anybody in Japanese? Let's explore. Formation. 誰でも in Japanese to show that everyone is doing an act. See some examples and try to create your own sentences. Everyone likes Mr. Sato.
誰でも佐藤さんのことが好きです。誰でも佐藤さんのことが好きです。
Where 誰でも in this sentence means anyone, anybody, everyone. Some examples are here. Everyone is fine.
誰でもいいです。誰でもいいです。
How to use around with a specific time. To use around with time, you should simply use goro with time in the sentence. Ni is used similarly to the English prepositions around or about to indicate an approximate time. End time, goro. It means around this time. Let's have a look at an example. I went home around 8 o'clock.
8時ごろに帰りました。8時ごろに帰りました。
I go to school around 8:40 a.m.
8時40分ごろ学校へ行きます。8時40分ごろ学校へ行きます。あなたは2時ごろ何をしていましたか？あなたは2時ごろ何をしていましたか？
You have just completed lesson 9, and I am happy you did it. That's the spirit. Give yourself a pat on the back as you have understood more of Japanese now. With this, we must wrap up our video. I hope I made it really simple for you to understand these basic concepts. Still, if you have any doubts or queries, please write them down in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video, share it in your circle, and watch lessons number 1 to 8 in case you haven't done this yet. Do your homework and share it with me. See you in the next lesson.